Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the nanoscience and nanotechnology. I think you all are familiar with this title of nanoscience and technology. So let us begin with. First of all, we are going to discuss about what is nano. Nanoscale means at the 1 to 100 nanometer range. And what do you mean by a nanostructure and nanomaterials? We can say that it is an object that has nanoscale features. It means it lies in the range of 1 to 100 nanometers. And what is nanoscience? It is the study of science behind the behavior and properties of nanostructures. And what is nanotechnology? These are the techniques for the fabrications and characterization of nanostructures or nanomaterials, and then utilization of these structures for device and technological applications. Now let us talk about the scale of things, man versus natural things. So we can see from this slide that on the left hand side there are natural things. It means an ant, red blood cells, and various other entities like DNA. So we can see that ant has got the size of 5 nanometers, micrometers, and dust mite is 200 micrometer. Human hair has got the diameter of 60 to 120 micrometers, and up to so on. And lastly, we can see that DNA has got 2 to 10 nanometer diameter. On the other hand, there are man-made things starting from the head of a pin, which lies in the range of 1 to 2 mm, and then there are various other types of man-made things that are MEMS, which are known as micro electromechanical devices, and carbon nanotubes, buckyballs, etc. So these has also got their size in the range of 1 to 3 nanometer in diameter. So these are the just a comparison between the natural and man-made things. Now let us move further. So in this slide you can see the various types of the nanomaterials. You can see these are the gold nanorods, and then copper oxide nanoclusters, carbon CDTE, that is cadmium telluride, nano tetrapods, single walled CNTs, SWCNT, and many others. So we can see that there can exist a variety of shapes of nanomaterials. Then this slide shows the nanotechnology is not a new phenomena. You can see there is a Tipu Sultan sword and the Los Angeles Cup. The beauty of the sports sword is that it is rust free till date. So after examining deeply, the scientists have observed that there is coating of the materials which lies in nanometric range, and in this Los Angeles Cup one can see the different colors from different directions. Again, the credit goes to different sizes of the nanomaterials. So on this slide we can see a gentleman whose name was Richard Feynman, and he was the father of nanotechnology, and he was the first who gave the term. There is plenty of room at the bottom. During his famous lecture, which was held on December 29 in the year of 1959 at the annual meeting of the American Physical Society. Now nanotechnology in nature. So this is the first picture which shows the lotus flower. So we can easily observe that on the leaves of the lotus flower, the water droplets do not stick. And then there is peacock feather. One can see the beautiful color patterns, RBC, and other entities. So all these phenomena or observations can be explained on the basis of nanoscience. Now, what makes the nanomaterials or nanostructures special from their respective bulk counterpart? So basically there are three reasons. First is large surface to volume ratio, second is quantum confinement effect, and third one is high reactivity. Now this slide shows the fabrication of nanomaterials. So basically there are two approaches. One is top-down approach and other one is bottom-up. In first one, top-down approach, we cut the material into small pieces till we achieve the nanometric size. On the other hand, in bottom-up approaches, we assemble the atoms to have a nano material or nanostructure. Then application of nanomaterials, we can see that there is no field which remain untouched with the impact of nanomaterials, or we can say that nanoparticles, nanomaterials or nanostructures finds application in almost all the areas of our daily life. So this technology is very promising, and there are currently few products based on nanomaterials, and research is going at very rapid pace. In future we can expect more variety of the products into the market, which will be very useful for our daily life. I think that's all about this lecture. Thank you so much.